Ever feel nickeled and dimed by your bank? Account maintenance fees, overdraft charges, minimum balance requirements, the list goes on. It's enough to make you want to throw your hands up and ask, is there even such a thing as a free bank account anymore? Building context, 015 to 045. Well, fret not, financially frustrated friends. Today, we're diving deep into the world of challenger banks, these new-age financial institutions that promise a totally different banking experience. We'll be setting our sights on Relay Bank, a name you might be hearing more and more about. But before we get swept away in the hype, let's cut to the chase. Is Relay Bank truly free? Transparency matters, 045 to 115. Let's be honest, free rarely means completely free, especially when it comes to banking. There's usually some hidden catches lurking in the fine print. But transparency is key, and that's where Relay Bank seems to stand out. Their website clearly outlines their fee structure, which is a big plus right off the bat. So, let's unpack exactly what Relay Bank offers and see if it lives up to the hype of a free banking experience. Breaking down the free stuff, 115 to 215. Alright, here's the good news. Free account, signing up for a Relay Bank account doesn't cost you a dime. No hoops to jump through, no minimum deposits, just open an account and you're good to go. No monthly fees. Unlike traditional banks that love to hit you with monthly maintenance charges, Relay Bank keeps things simple. You can park your money there without the fear of disappearing fees. Free debit card. You get a sleek debit card to make purchases and access your cash. Free ATM withdrawals. Need some cash? Relay Bank reimburses you for out-of-network ATM fees, up to a certain amount each month. This is a major perk, considering ATM fees can eat into your savings quickly. Understanding the limits, 2:15 to 3 o'clock. Now, before we start celebrating a financial utopia, let's talk about limitations. There are a few things to keep in mind. ATM withdrawal limits. While Relay Bank reimburses your out-of-network ATM fees, there is a monthly limit. Exceed that limit, and you'll be responsible for the charges. Be sure to check their website for the current limit. International transactions. If you're a frequent traveler, be aware that Relay Bank charges foreign transaction fees for using your card abroad. These fees are pretty standard across most banks, but it's worth considering if you make international purchases regularly. Beyond the free, 3 to 345. So, Relay Bank offers a solid selection of free features, but what if you're looking for more? They've got you covered there too, with some additional services. Early pay. Get access to your paycheck up to 2 days early. This can be a lifesaver if you need that extra cash flow before payday rolls around. Mobile banking app. Manage your finances on the go with their user-friendly mobile app. It allows you to deposit checks, transfer funds, and keep track of your spending. Saving goals. Set up specific savings goals and track your progress within the app. This is a great way to stay motivated and achieve your financial objectives. Making it work for you, 345 to 430. Here's the bottom line. Relay Bank is a great option for those seeking a transparent and free banking experience. They offer the core functionalities you need, minus the unnecessary charges. But is it the right fit for you? Ideal for budget-conscious individuals who prioritize free accounts, no monthly maintenance fees, and reimbursed ATM withdrawals. Maybe not for frequent international travelers due to foreign transaction fees, or those who need a wider range of investment or wealth management services typically offered by traditional banks. Final thoughts, 4:30 to 5 o'clock. Ultimately, the decision depends on your individual banking needs. Relay Bank is a strong contender in the free banking arena, but it's always wise to shop around and compare options before making a switch. Call to action, 5 to 5:15. So, what do you think? Is Relay Bank the answer to your free banking prayers? Let us know in the comments.